Hello, in front of me I have GARMIN Venu Sq music, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the lower button to open the menu. Scroll down in the menu and tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll all the way down and select the system option. And here tap on the language option. Now you should see the list of languages. You can scroll through it by swiping up and down on the screen. Find the language you like to use and tap on it to select it. For example, Deutsch. And after a couple of seconds, the language should change. So let's open the menu. And as you can see, the language changed. You can also change the language via the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. So let's bring our phone right here. Open the Garmin Connect application on our phone. In the application, tap on the menu button. Scroll down, select the Garmin devices. Select the Venu Sq. Now scroll down, tap on the general option. And here at the bottom we have language option. Tap on it. You should see the list of languages. Find the language you like to use. This time I'm gonna select English. And once you select the language, go back to the device page. You will see that the changes saved and the watch will start syncing with your phone. And after it's done syncing, the language should be applied on your watch. As you can see, now when I open the menu, it's back to English. And that's how you change the language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.